Tired of your precious Android videos being stuck on your phone, unable to be edited, or properly backed up on your Mac? Let's unlock those memories. First, the trusty USB cable method. Connect your Android phone to your Mac using a USB cable. Your phone might ask you to choose a connection type. Select File Transfer or MTP. Now, on your Mac, open Finder. You should see your Android device listed in the sidebar under Locations. Click on it. Navigate through the phone's folders. Usually, your videos are stored in the DCIM folder, and then within the camera subfolder. Find the videos you want to transfer and simply drag and drop them to your desired location on your Mac, like your desktop or a specific folder. Wait for the transfer to complete. Next, cloud storage apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive work wonders on your Android phone. Upload your videos to your cloud storage service. Then, on your Mac, open the same cloud storage app or access it through your web browser. Your videos will be synced and available for download. Finally, wireless file transfer apps. Apps like AirDroid or Send Anywhere let you transfer files over your Wi-Fi network. Download and install the app on both your Android and Mac. Follow the app's instructions to connect your devices. Select the videos you want to transfer and send them to your Mac, and that's it.